Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land.
Today, as we celebrate Nigerians' Independence Day, we reflect on the beauty of our nation. Nigeria is a land blessed with fertile soil, a land that has nourished generations and holds the potential to feed not only her people, but the world. From the lush fields of the north to the palm groves of the south, our agriculture is a testament to the richness of our earth. At the heart of our nation, we are connected by two major rivers, the Niger and the Benue. These rivers do not only give life to our lands, but also symbolizes the unity of our people. Just as the rivers meet and merge in the confluence at Lokoja, so do our different tribes, languages, and cultures come together to form a strong and united Nigeria. Our nation's strength lies in its diversity, with over 250 ethnic groups. Nigeria is a tapestry woven from the threads of Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, Fulani, Kanuri, and so many other tribes. Each language spoken, from Igbo in the east, Yoruba in the west, and Hausa in the north, adds a unique melody to the Nigerian symphony, creating harmony in diversity. We are a people of rich cultural heritage, with traditions passed down from generation to generation. Our art, music, and festivals reflect the depth of our history and the vibrancy of our present, whether it's the Durbar Festival in the north, the Eyo Festival in Lagos, or the New Yam Festival in the east. Our celebrations unite us and remind us of our shared history. Though we are many in culture and language, we stand together as one nation. Our strength is in our unity, and as we celebrate our independence today, let us remember that despite our differences, we carry the pride of being Nigerian. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. May we continue to grow in peace, unity, and prosperity. Amen.
When no man is oppressed.